Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode, but remember you are recording 2 videos here, okay? Then after this now, you can walk into the scene. Look at me, walking into the scene. Then you sit down. What you need to record here is to record yourself as if you are sleeping. So you can lie down now, look at it. Then you close your eyes, you stay like this for some few seconds, some few minutes. After that, you can now pick your camera and go outside to record the second video. First of all, record an empty background for few seconds. After that, you walk in, look at me there. You do as if you are pointing at something, all right? That is what you need to record here. Look at it. Do as if you are pointing at something. Then after recording this one, the next thing is when you get to a point now, then you will do as if sudden birds or something come to hit you. All these things, remember, you are doing them imaginary. After that, all right, then you can jump up. All right, jump up. Then after that, you can now walk out. Okay. Okay guys, welcome to another amazing, wonderful tutorial. You click on CapCut, new project, import your first video to the workspace. The volume sign there, click it, let us silence the volume. So at this point, we locate where we want the video to start from. Before you stand up, click it and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. So at this point now, look at what we are going to be doing. We want to go and locate the point where you stood up in shock. Before then, click it and make a split. This is it. So let's locate where we want it to stop. Click on this place and make a split. Delete this last part. We don't need it again. Come to the middle part where you make a split. This place, click on that plus now. Click on the plus. Then you import your second video to workspace. Import it now. Then we need an empty background here. So make a split here. Then click on the empty background and swap it. Look at what I did. After swapping it, so you go and locate the place where you're jumping up in shock. At this point now, we are going to be making a split here. All right, so make a split at this point now. Click it and make a split. All right, go and look for overlay. Locate overlay, guys. Locate overlay. Click on overlay. Look at it there. Click on overlay. This is how it's going to look. All right, but at this point it's too long. We are going to be splitting it. So at this point, you click here and make a split. Click on this up one, make a split. Delete it. Click on this one and delete it. So at this point, go to the second part of the video, which is the last part. At this point, before you stand up in shock, click here and make a split. Delete the middle part. Then after that, you come here now. Look at what we are going to be doing. It's good there. Nice. So click on this one and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now. Auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying just a size patient. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good. Then you go back. So this is how it's going to play. So at this point now, let's come back. All right, from this demarcation now, mark anywhere. Click on anywhere now. Then we are going to be clicking on add overlay. You go and locate your first green screen. All right, so we'll be importing this green screen features here. Look at it. Import it to workspace. Click on volume now. Reduce it to 0. Mark on this good. Then you go back. You want to expound it. All right, click it and expound it. After expounding it now, you go and look for remove BG, guys. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key. you want to drag it, mark on this good, then you go back. All right, click it for the second time. As you locate adjust, go and look for adjust. Locate adjust, guys, click on adjust, look at it there, HSL, go and look for it, click on HSL, mark on this green, reduce saturation to -100%, mark this good, then you go back. Okay, at this point, guys, tell us what you think, what you make up of this video you have just watched. What do you think? What is your take in this video? And just in case you have a CapCut magic tricks or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. Okay, if you love this video and you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial, guys. So at this point, look at it. Look at the green screen, how it will look like. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to go and look for duplicate. Locate duplicate, guys. Go and look for duplicate. Locate duplicate. You can duplicate it into 2 places. Then you come back and click this one now. Click this one and drag it to come and align with the first green screen. All right, make it to align. After that, you go and drag the third one. All right, drag this other one, drag it and bring it to align as well. After aligning the tray, now you want to click them one by one and separate them. Drag this one up, good. After then, click on this one, drag it down. After then, let's play it now and see what we have got. After adjusting it, play it. Let's see what we have got. Good. Now this is good, this is nice. Let's wash it to a point. Okay, but as far as concerned, this is good. Wash it to a point, to that place where you remove BG. Look at this place. We want to click on overlay again here to import our second green screen. Import this one now, import it to workspace. Then we want to reduce the volume, mark on this good, then you go back. After that, you want to expound it as well. After adjusting it, click it now to expound it as well. Then you go and look for remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to that green point, mark on this good and go back. Click it and look for adjust like we did before. Click on adjust now, HSL, mark green, reduce saturation to -100%, mark these goods, then you go back. At this point, we are going to be splitting it because it is too long. So at this point, you want to click it here to make a split. All right, you delete the last part, click this one and trim it to align with this one. So at this point, you locate layer, click on layer, click on that arrow to bring this one this side, mark on this good now, then you go back. So we are going to be duplicating it. All right, you duplicate it into 2 places as well. You drag it under each other, make them to align. Come back, make it to align, guys. Then you go and drag this other one as well. You bring it to make it to align again. All right, okay, make it to align. After that, now you want to click them and separate them like you did to the fishes. Separate them. Drag this one down. After which we are going to play it. Let us see what we have got. All right, play it from here. Let's see what we have got. Then stand up in shock. So this is good. So this point, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. Go to the beginning of the video, but before then, click this place now. You want to add your keyframe. Add your keyframe here, then you drag it, then you expound the video, because remember, we are trying to create a dream video, right? So it will have to look like the character is dreaming. So drag it. After expounding it now, expound it. After then, let's play it. Let's see what we have got in this part as well. This is good. So bam, the guy started dreaming. Can see it now. So at this point, let's play it from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. So just calm down now and watch this video. So you're watching it, you take time. If there is some necessary adjustments you need to make, some corrections, then you make your corrections and adjustment. But after watching it and you find out there is no any correction, there is no any adjustment, then this video is ready. What will be remaining here is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after adding them now, can export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying out there, I don't know how to add any of those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after adding them down, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export. Then you export this video to your gallery. So at this point now, click on export now. Click on export, then look at it. You can see it's exporting. Just a size patient. Allow the video to export 100%. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay guys, tell us what you feel, what you think about this video. What is your take? What do you think we should have added? What do you think we should have omitted? And just in case you have any CapCut magic tricks or effects you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing and you have enjoyed the video so far, go and smash your like button, okay? And just in case you are coming across our YouTube channel, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.